Bishop Robin Kisembo nagira ngo abana bato nibakigumiza mu kutungenda kandi omuhendo gwabo nugweyongera bwasesere bwizere.
The shame on us in this region, and you are aware. So as we celebrate, let us celebrate responsibly from the protection point of view.
Oguhona yajumerera omuzego bw'enguzi ogukwasira akakiro omwihanga.
Corruption based on theft of public resources in all sectors, almost institutionalized. In all sectors, sadly, we pay good money, we pay taxes everywhere.
Bishop Kisembo yashaba gavumenti okureka besimbereho okuronda akaruru omubusinje.
As we are all aware, all demand is arrested in prison for grounds of very clear, but the point is, we ask the government, please give peace, bring space, those in position, but they also say their point on this regarding the not possible in.
Omugandi omukushaba kwa Nohire okwabo muri Kiruhura Bishop w'obureberezi bwa North Ankole yahabura bebembezi kwetantara okubaganisa no kukanyisa rwango barukuronda karuru omburoro buturukuza kuzamu ebi byaba ahari St Emmanuel Cathedral omurushere. Bishop omukushaba yayebembeze kigambo cy'obusinje kandi abantu yaboreka kubine kusasarana.
Etaka urabo pakozerisi akarahangana hona rume itwazo
oguyagira ngo abebembezi bine kutambuza engiro y'obusinje hamwe n'obutebaganisamo
nibesegereza mutatabura kanisa mutatabura ekibira aho bizo baruratabura ekibira tuzokugira independence
Nsima President Museveni abukureta obusinje omwihango omu abukureta demokrasi
babebembezi abayita bomukushaba oko bashongera ebigambo bya Bishop barukoreka okubine kubyerinda
tuzirike mu businge umuntu mushabira sha
kandi hakereziya eya parish ya Rugazi omurubirizi abikiriza twabashanga omukuramya no kuhimbisa omukushaba kwabo kwa Nohiri.
Twaba tureba abantu bingi obundi abatakura nitubwire bwingi kokebero tukebero bisha kongera kweterana nipe ninyongera kubasima
ba constituency nimbendeza Christmas nungi kandi n'umwaka mwingi kwisi
mbe kama kale bigambo bibiri nsasira I am sorry in case you are wrong wakoresho ishaba bacara bagenzi banje nangwa n'abami bitu kuwakora kantu kareba mutahi wawe katamushemeza urebwe ngo wamushabo kusasirwa
kandi hona aha kanisa ya Rutoto nabwo murubirizi naho akari no kushemererwa byaba birya higuru kandi basima mukama okubarinda
yakira no kushemererwa abo ko mushini kuyatuzarigwe twagira ubusinji abantu bashemererwa abantu baruga mu mwirima umushana gwabajwera baruga mu bibi ati nambwira bari bashaguza abo kuruga mu mwirima
nyowenka abantu babudaruguru nimbendeza kugira ngo za politics zitakaterana
abikiriza bayihanangirizibwa okwetantara emize mibi na munonga omubwirobo gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwire Paul Turyamureba na Onesimus Ndyanabo.